Hey, this is Sunny Samurai, and today I am reviewing the genius of Nana Osaki's character as I slowly transform into her. Nana Osaki would never like to admit it, but in the end, her story is no different than Hachiko's. Some would say she's a feeble, fickle woman chasing a man. Others, that she's a brave young woman following her heart. I too would never like to admit that vulnerable side of me, find every chance to hide it. But my degrading attachment to love still in fact influences my behavior in ways that I cannot control. I've learned to hide it in my makeup, my clothes, my aloof demeanor. As I learn to embrace that side of me, the fickle, the hurt, the confused, the vulnerable, I've started to see that reflect outwardly too. But like Nana, I am not just one stereotype or another. The way that we handle things inside is really the only thing that we can change. Nana's relationship with Ren is complicated and very much entwined with pain. With her desire for him, she also feels envy, irritation, jealousy. What Ren doesn't know is that as independent and prideful as she is, she wishes that he would have asked her to come with him. She wishes that he wouldn't have abandoned her, even if she said no in the end. See, because the thing is, Nana, as much as she wouldn't want to admit that either, is heavily influenced by Ren. When they started dating, she started to smoke the same cigarettes as him, increased her number of piercings to match his, got a pair of matching boots, even tattooed a lotus flower on her arm to represent him. They slept in the same bed and dreamed the same dreams, and in her eyes, he abandoned her anyways. She couldn't get him out of her even if she wanted to. So, try as she might, her every action somehow leads her back to him. So, she desires him, and she resents him. While Nana insists on using birth control out of fear of the parts of her irresponsible mother that dwell within herself, there are still parts of her that sometimes wonder, what if she changed her mind? It seems jarring, coming from her. But as much as Nana Osaki is this rebellious, cold, badass, she is still a woman with complex desires. She is not a cardboard cutout. Like all of us, she is human. Nana doesn't dress the way that she does to be edgy. Growing up, she was forced to wear black. At one time, she too desired bright girly clothes, which finally led her to buy that flashy red dress as soon as she had some independence, and why she still wears that flashy red lipstick to this day. Her style and way of thinking are not out of pretentiousness, a desire to be the pick-me, to be better than the Hachikos of the world. It's just a product of her pain and her personality. And it doesn't mean that she desires sweet things like cute dresses or love and stability any less than any other. Nana's likes are simple and consistent. Vivian, Sex Pistols, 7-star cigarettes, coffee with milk, cake with a strawberry on top. Because unlike Hachiko, who had a secure upbringing, Nana is drawn to consistent comforts in a life that's been filled with instability. They're what she holds on to. On the surface, Nana seems intimidating and unapproachable. But once you talk to her, her smile brightens the entire room, and you can feel that she has a heart of gold. When she sings, she can pull in just about any crowd with the energy that she has. Essentially, while Nana shelters herself under this hard, cynical shell, she can be just as soft, sensitive, even bubbly as Hachiko. And we can see how these two seemingly polar opposite women are in fact, in many ways, the same. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this new style of content that I'm trying out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and join my journey by hitting that subscribe button. And as always, love you guys, and till next time.